Hello everyone. So today I will be using eyelashes that I got from Walgreens, using a tweezer, mascara, and eyelash glue. I don't understand why girls use hair glue for their eyelashes. There's a reason why they made eyelash glue and hair glue. I tried both and I recommend eyelash glue. So now I'm going to put on my mascara. Don't mind me, I forgot how to get pretty during this quarantine. They're struggling. Next, I'm going to put the eyelashes on. And you want to use your tweezers to take out the eyelashes because it's more gentle. But for me, they decided to put this hard behind glue. So it might seem like I'm going a little bit too rough on it. But trust me, I'm not. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit because usually it's not hard to take out the eyelashes, but this type of brand, I don't know what type of glue they use to make the eyelashes stick on like this. Next, what you want to do is grab your eyelash and make it into a centipede so it can have a more valuable shape, if you know what I mean. See, I like this glue because the tip of it is way easier to apply the glue onto the lash. Some duos don't have this, so it will be harder to put it on. You probably would end up putting the glue on your fingers, but that's okay. Next, you want to blow on it for 15 seconds so it can dry a little bit. Great, so now we're up close and personal to my insecurities. So I'm just going to apply my eyelashes on top of my real eyelashes, and I'm just pushing them in. And yes, I do use my fingers. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It was kind of hard for me to do it because I was trying to look at the mirror and the camera at the same time. That's why it looks like kind of iffy. But trust me, it comes out looking gorgeous, girl. And for the newbies, it's going to feel heavy on your eyelid. That's how it felt at first when I got my eyelashes done. All right, lovelies, this is the final look of the lashes. Hopefully this helped you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.